a bright new world, all fresh and green, when summer showers down. A memory of love and the sound of summer showers. Weeping willows, skies of gray, dewdrops on the flowers. Raindrops whisper all around on a rainy summer day. The boy and girl there kiss goodbye, then she walks away. But now I find the falling rain a sad and lonely sound, like teardrops coming from the sky and falling all around. Listening to a summer